Hi friend, I am Guyana Legend. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. Now let's continue the session. Okay Gajnan, let's present it. I think you make fun and education videos on the science of CBSE 10th class. Yeah, let's learn together.
Hey Harsh, check this video, you will come to know more about the education in a fun way.
Now let's start the session bro. Okay Sunkit, let's start. Hey, do you know that how salts are formed?
No bro.
Don't worry. Guyana Legend will help you to know more about it, so we shall move now to attend the class. So guys, in your CBSE textbook of science, the second chapter acid and bases, we will take a look on the type of salts. Baking soda. The baking soda is a common name for sodium hydrogen carbonate. In short form we can tell that NaHCO3. This topic is very important in your exams, so don't skip it. Now let's look what is this baking soda actually. The baking soda is a commonly used salt in the kitchen for making food items, because it fastens the cooking process. Have you understood about the baking soda?
Yes bro, but I still have a question how it is used into our day-to-day life.
Okay, I will sit here because I'm feeling comfortable. Now let's look at the characteristics of the baking soda. So firstly, it is a basic salt and has a slippery nature. Secondly, it is used in cooking purpose, and it is also used in soda acid fire extinguishers. I hope that you will like this video.